Using autocorrect and prediction on your iPhone is really very easy process. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna be walking through how to use autocorrect and prediction. So first of all, to get this feature, you have to update iOS 17. Once it's done, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on General, and here tap on Keyboard. And here you'll get the auto correction and the predictive option. So all you have to need is just toggle these two options. Once done, now let's see how to use auto correction and prediction. To show you, I'm going to opening a new notes, and simply I'm going to typing here, hello, how are. As you can see, when I wrote hello, how are you, the prediction automatically suggesting you. Select this you, tap on space, and as you can see, the you has been automatically entered. And now let's work with autocorrection. As you can see, the autocorrection is working properly. So that's how we can use autocorrect and prediction on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.